Hi, welcome to KFA Maths tutorial. Today we will discuss about 9th class first chapter exercise 1.2. We will solve the problems. First question: state whether the statements are true or false. Justify your answers. First question: every irrational number is a real number. Every irrational number is a real number. ప్రతి ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్ కూడా ఒక రియల్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది అంటున్నాడు. ఇది నిజమా? See here, the statement is true because real numbers include both rational and irrational numbers. Real numbers include both rational and irrational numbers. See here, this is real number. Rational and these are irrational. So this irrational number also a real number. Every irrational number is a real number. So this is the statement. Every irrational number is a real. Every irrational number is a real number. Come to second question. Every point on the number line is of the form root m, where m is a natural number. ప్రతి ఒక్క నంబర్ లైన్ మీద ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రతి సంఖ్య కూడా రూట్ ఎం ఫామ్ లో ఉంటుందా? ఎం అనేది ఒక న్యాచురల్ నంబర్ అయితే నో, ఫాల్స్. నో, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫాల్స్. రీజన్: ఏ నంబర్ లైన్ హ్యాస్ negative and positive numbers, but no negative can be the square root of natural number. Okay. Third question: every real number is a irrational number. Every real number is a irrational number. It is statement. Whether it is it true or false? It is false. Reason: a real numbers include both rational and irrational. If it is irrational number, it may be a real number. But if it is a real number, it may be rational or irrational, whatever it may be. Okay. The second question, come to second question. Are the square roots of all the positive integers irrational? If not, give an example of the square root of a number that is a rational number. Answer is no. Answer is no. The square root of all positive integers are not always irrational numbers. The square roots of all perfect square numbers are always rational numbers. Perfect square root numbers. Perfect square root numbers. What are the perfect square root numbers? 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are perfect square numbers. Root 1 is equal to 1, root 4 is equal to 2, root 9 is equal to 3, root 16 is equal to 4, and root 25 is equal to 5. ఈ విధంగా పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ నెంబర్స్ యొక్క రూట్స్ రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ అవుతాయండి. Now come to third question. Show root 5 can be represented on the number line. Take the number line. This is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. Take the 2 units on the number line. 2 units on the number line and point it as a A. Point it as a A. And draw a perpendicular line This point is B. Take the 2 units on the number line. First point, take the 2 units on the number line. And the point A. From this point A, draw a perpendicular line such that AB is equal to 1 unit. 1 unit. And this is 2 units. And draw a OB line. This is root 5. This line is root 5. But we have to show the point on the number line. We have to show the root 5 on the number line. So, take the protractor, take the compass. So this point is called root 5. First point, draw a number line and point locate that the point A such that OA is equal to 2 units. OA is equal to 2 units. Second point, draw a perpendicular to OA from the point A such that AB is equal to 1 unit. AB is equal to 1 unit. Next, join OB. Join OB. This is root 5. But we have to show root 5 on the number line. Draw an arc draw an arc by taking 0 as center and OB is radius. This arc cut the number line at the point C. Fifth point, OC is root 5. OC is root 5. ఈ విధంగా మనం రూట్ 5 ని నెంబర్ లైన్ మీద చూపించాలి. ఈ విధంగా మనం రూట్ 5 ని నెంబర్ లైన్ మీద చూపిస్తాం. ఓకే. Now come to fourth question. This is classroom activity. Now it is fourth question. Classroom activity. This is classroom activity. Construction of a square root spiral. Now we will construct a square root spiral. First of all, we have to take a 1 unit line. After that, take the perpendicular line to this A and this is B. Draw a line perpendicular to AB, and it's also it should be also 1 unit. So it is 1 unit. And this point is C. This point is C. Now join AC. Now draw a perpendicular line to AC. Draw a perpendicular line to AC. And this point is D, and join AD. Again, draw a perpendicular line to AD. Draw a perpendicular line to AD. And this is this point. Look at this point E, and join. Now join AE. Again, draw a perpendicular line to AE. this point is F, and join A, F. Again, draw a perpendicular line to AF. F. This point is G, and join A, G. Again, draw a perpendicular line to AG. G, H. This point is H, and join A, H. Now, again we have to draw a perpendicular line to AH. I, J. Now, again draw a perpendicular line to the AJ. ఈ విధంగా మనం స్క్వేర్ రూట్ స్పైరల్ ని గీస్తాం. ఇది root1, ఇది root2, ఇది root3 ఇది root4 అవుతుంది. ఇది root5, root6, root7, root8, root9, root10 అవుతుంది. ఈ విధంగా కన్నా గీసినట్లయితే ఇలా స్పైరల్ గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఈ విధంగా మనం స్క్వేర్ రూట్ స్పైరల్ ని గీయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఇది క్లాస్ రూమ్ యాక్టివిటీ. పిల్లలందరూ కలిసి క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో ఒక 4 పిల్లలు ఒక గ్రూప్ గా ఏర్పడి చేయాల్సినటువంటి యాక్టివిటీ. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఖచ్చితంగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మాత్రం చేయండి. ఇప్పుడే చేయండి సబ్స్క్రైబ్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.